So you have your garlic clove, and you just take it and put it down here and then mash it, and it busts up like this. Then you have these that look like this. You're going to break it open, pull off the little skin. Make sure to get all of it off or it will cook out in the honey. It's raw. And then you're just going to like bust them up whenever you get ready to put it into your honey, so that all that oil comes out into your honey. I'm using 3 pounds of honey, but I'm not going to do it all at once. I'm just going to put it in here and see how much it fills my pan first. So I'll pour it in. This is a small pan, so I'll pour it half of that at a time. So I'm going to use 1.5 pounds to begin with. This is the type I use. I use the organic turmeric powder. Using just a regular kitchen tablespoon. And I just really kind of heap it out and then just kind of scatter it across. Not gonna use that whole teaspoon, so about 1/2 teaspoon, or 1/2 tablespoon rather, for 1.5 pounds. Then I'm gonna use ginger. I do the same thing with it. I don't really measure stuff. I'm gonna stick it in here. Ginger is really, really good for you, but it's also very strong. So I'm going to put about that much in there, and I'm just going to make sure that I sprinkled it all the way across. So again, about 1/2 tablespoon. I used those cloves. I ended up busting 2 of these up and made that. I'm going to use half of it in the first one. Just remember whenever you're putting them in, just to make sure that you kind of tear them open so all that oil gets in there. I'm going to use about half of those. Yeah, just below medium heat, so it starts to thin that out about that consistency. You don't want to get it too hot because it'll start scorching. So just below medium on just gonna mix it up real good. After you've got everything thoroughly mixed, it's super watery right now, so you want to bump your heat down to 1 click up from low towards medium, and just let it start every now and then, so that it don't start like sticking to the bottom. But then just let it set for just a little bit, 2 to 3 minutes on low, before you put it into your glass container. You definitely don't want to put it back into your plastic containers. It will melt it. So pour it into glass, don't put the lid on it, let it set. I will mix this one, and then I will go ahead and put the rest of the honey in and do another batch. You just don't want to have too much going in your skillet at once, just because you want to bring everything together.